Extremely hard ceramic maintains sharpness for consistently smooth cuts. Finger-friendly edge helps keep your fingers safe during use. Safer edge eliminates need to use special sharps disposal boxes. Reversible design doubles lifespan for cost-efficient use. For use with all slice box cutters, pen cutters and mini cutter. Box cutter blade is made with 100% zirconium oxide, an advanced ceramic material, to provide a number of useful features that set it apart from typical steel blades. Zirconium oxide is nonsparking, nonconductive, nonmagnetic, chemically inert and never rusts. Slow-to-dull blade starts at an effective sharpness and retains its safe cutting edge for up to 11 times longer than steel for consistently smooth cuts again and again. Its natural edge retention utilizes a finger-friendly grind to resist piercing skin while maintaining its high-quality cutting performance. Plus, its safer edge eliminates the need for special sharps disposal boxes. Pointed tip is perfect for applications that require piercing to initiate the cut. Reversible blade is designed for use with all slice box cutters, pen cutters and the mini cutter, each sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Love my slice knife. I learned about these blades from Izzy Swan on YouTube. They are a lot more costly than a traditional box cutter blade but worth it. These last a long time and are much safer for opening Amazon packages and for breaking down boxes for recycling.